So, dann nehmen wir mal ein paar Crash-Clips auf, würde ich sagen, damit es nicht so langweilig ist, ne? Ich hasse den Spot. Eieiei. Man ist ganz schön eingerostet nach dem Winter, muss man so feststellen. Das hat mich sonst nicht so viel Nerven gekostet. Und da sind wir am Bucket durch. Ah. Da ist er wieder ausgegangen. Interessant. Ob wir wieder armen können? Ne. Okay. Das sieht aus, als wäre der Flight Controller abgestürzt, würde ich sagen. Komplett eingefroren. Oh ja, das sieht nicht gut aus. That's not looking good. Damn it. Oh yeah. I don't think I want to use that Lipo anymore as well. There you go.
Telemetry lost.
I think we lost the arm. Well, that's that, I guess. Back to the discus. I think the flight controller froze, and this was the downfall of LePush. That's a sad ending. Also a sad ending for my Lipo. And look at it. You can see the cover of the MCK edition. It's pretty, actually. I like it. It's pretty fat aluminum. I guess it's aluminum. Yeah, well, at least it protected the Lipo. Otherwise this would probably be a Lipo fire, I would say. I will not use it again, but it didn't blow up, so it's okay. I will put this separate anyway. That's a sad ending for LePush. I hope my thumb survived. My guess is that it hit the backside. I don't really see an impact actually. I think it went down like this and broke the arm that way and hit the Lipo. That would probably explain it.